Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Kusa 360 Vibes. Yes, this is your brother Spider One. You can call me your guy, your boy. And today, I am not just here to report, I am here to speak from the heart. What is happening in our land, in Garu, specifically, is something that demands our attention. Yes, then corona and was a farm. Yen post was a farm kosa kweleni ka minke ke bang dene be. Aneni tango be no zamo post the phone korongo video kanga be se goten kanga sanga so was a farm. Yan kana na garu no kwene daba yiwa. Daba mo malsam den ka minke pelni na ka so farm de kiba. Ka for August bon kana nanda. It demands a truth. It demands unity. Yes, to me te kosak. Daba be sumal sampogo. Ama el siba be ka te kusa staba be tenam taba man kala pumalasa. So ladies and gentlemen, a few days ago I just saw something on social media, yes, on Facebook. Though I have the information that I was following that information slowly because we don't just come out with a video without the facts and something like that. So but thanks to DJ Smart Media Upper East, who has also been following this particular issue online and everywhere to make sure that things are in order. So ladies and gentlemen, a few days ago, I just saw that Smart Media also releases a video, a post reporting that some traders from Senkansi, Togo were being stopped from selling in the Garu market simply because their prices were cheaper than those of the Garu traders. That post, though, partly is true and then got one thing very wrong. So when I man palshimla, the Smart Media on a radio presenter, Mbenet apa isolum kala abune DJ Smart artist level la oposte bon sia kade yel sila an yel ye garu business people la bakare 50 dem ne Togo dem be 50 be Togo la ye balale ma business e benete garu solo mo benete ko sagni la amare to mayem chaneka so wo saban yel bon kan to sirabe ka sira kai awone bobone de ka 50 dem ka garu dem kare den ka mesira kaila de ka Togo dem ka garu dem kata den ka mesira kaila de ane Tena meng need kagaru dem cat. It is our own people that they are chasing from the market. The people being targeted were not from Sinkasi, from in Togo, but rather they were our very own brothers and sisters from Kosa, traders from Widana and Bashonde. And let me be clear, Bashonde is my town. Bashonde is my town. Ladies and gentlemen, Bashon Anamanting, Widan Anamting Pia. Bakateni reba yine bashon dem ne widan dem bane man business te tarabe business better kasi se ba prices nam la ye bara lenke na kwenda kano far na mfa. Ladies and gentlemen, we have never seen something like this before. For the first time, traders from Bashonde were told not to enter Garu market. I'm surprised. La yakazina be yakasan dona mana zen ka bakat ye so da king ntranda na de da kali yakayele de sir anada taraga be. I've never seen this. They were told that His Royal Highness Naba Akbarkent, Garuna, Naba Akbarkent, the chief of Garu, that he wanted to perform rituals in the market. So you can imagine, rituals no one knew about, rituals no one was officially informed of. And they even to extend that if they didn't leave, they were told that if they didn't leave, they would let some people, they will send some people, there were some guys to attack them. It is not like maybe baye. How can this be? Why would anyone drag the name of a respected chief into a lie for a personal gain? Or ayale to noke to na namba mo germa zine bagbanazu ka ane germa na ase teteba ka pompo yang dollars den na sim ka dollar ni bila bana ane zam dem zu kwing dem pote bet dem ye esam kosayo be kosayo. Ladies and gentlemen, with underground investigation revealed that some traders in Garu were simply not happy just because they were uncomfortable that business people from nearby towns like Bashonde and Widana were selling their goods at more affordable prices, attracting more buyers. Instead of adjusting, they tried to drive them away. How? Ye Bashon dem be Widana dem la be banetem kumpamis dem ban business la baganam ma bankena kuso na ba kuso ma ane yon kaba nirba dat kaba dat ban la re. So the carbon kamata kabakena lembe dala ni kusura kanoda mami garu na be boru malama boru ning bonam ye so ba azas kamuksu kena bana tombis kabakena dama ba. Let me ask you this, is this fair? Is this the Kosak way? Is this the Kosak way? Ne akosago tena mi te lasre taba bo no rienela Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we are one people. I want to let you know that we are one people, one language, one culture, one destiny. If we begin to sabotage each other here, over prices in the market, how will our land grow? Tia dolly elba manama. They so much yane. Tani yene. To woman booty nam piat. Booty nam zuya mata woman booty nam piat. To woman to more booty malma. Kami taba booty malma. De taba bees. De taba and taba bees. Kabo kar an yele common prices. Lat ligi di pesek be booty yela. Karate body the more. Ting wa kena. How will our land grow? And how will our children inherit peace? Nenga yete peace ni wala ka duwe kanori nebe. Nenga yete ni wala ka te duwe so baya duwe geng kan ane to we dan dem na genye bason garu dem men da king sankanse da lada because bana be sankans noro. De doli ane kasumal sembe. Ka bason dem duwe men genye le garu dem ko yang kena ngat sankanse da lada because ba dole ba bason. Hey. Top. Some people are using the chief name to chase innocent people away just to protect their profits. This is dangerous. It is disrespectful. It is dividing us. It is totally dividing us. Let us not put our mind in this. The Benariale Nisiba, Zin be like Bamba meeting, no one do kena, Fafaka, Pompoyanka, Garuna, Men, Pompomotira, Kena, Egosele, Old Man Ombe, Capayangri Palo, Kariaka, Tuamsia Kena, Anele, Oina, Be, Obang de Be, Kaina Bankenazin, Osokuna. When Piadene about do it, can I be some mene? So now I can see him some man more social, Campomodity. Because the Ayale Barazin na sokuna, Ntua. The Yala, Caraniele nap. We Piancilla Cabay Barakilson, ye nap Piancilla, then a Cabamora and Nabak Yelsilla. How? Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot let the few individual tarnish the image of Garu or tarnish the image of Kosa. Yes, we cannot let that selfish destroy the unity of our ancestors for. That is perceived. And most importantly, we must protect the dignity of our traditional leaders. No chief, especially no, not Naba, Nabana, Garuna, Naba Akwakent would even approve of such division without proper communication. Garuna Koshaki is negates. Karaniele, the Podolo de Shure, no, Nap Garuna Kabigo. Oyandolo Blamen Yadi in a day. On Naipem Namyadi in a day, Kaiba dollars in the Bunkana. Nap Kabigo. Like a Tengana Ten Kugazas, Kade Kus by Yina Katayanga Bangla. If a ritual is truly necessary, let it be announced publicly. Let it be done respectfully, with community involvement, not used as a weapon to push others out. The Kayale Tina yet the body to Malek at the song, and Malamakateva Mal, Baby Mal Shiva. Malamaya the Mal, by Sabayida and announced a show of that so by Dala, the Payet Kumasinama, the Payet Akranama, the Payet Tamalinama. By a mal seal, Sabayina Mal announcement. That can get the bubble so that not about the Malamanga. A Kayale Bandu, Zinyele, Fufum Yalas and Bultabe, and Tenam to Gossam Kaka Kanimba Makabalan Pendala, Kafabore, your place, Garuna, your bed. Ladies and gentlemen, to the brave youth of Garu, who stood up and said, no, I salute you, I salute you. You stood maturity, you showed strength, you showed that Kusai belongs to all of us, not just a few selfish people. So, Nakemne Pasara and post souls of Fayas. Post Garu dem, Garu youth, banning younger Druzian, Kayabonkan and Kotom, Bonkan Nan Babiela. Post Roba, Teteva Germa, respect. Teteva Germa, respect. Let us build each other, not to break each other. Let us learn from those doing well in business. Let us grow together. This land is big enough for all of us to thrive. So, you can't at the last taba. Nyanga male foundation so. Me son karizin tutua. Kakaye te wataba, tembe te wataba yire. Te zamsam. Nimba and a business minded people ni. Kata body yale te body te pora pelegat. Te business amen yase. Te last taba kanobo. Kamal te. Tinga. Ane te kane. Nariele gerema ne nase. Kapung mbe karmo sumalsam. So ladies and gentlemen, let this be a wake-up call to all of us. The name of our chiefs must never be used to create confusion. Yara keka tonoko te nanam yoda sam. Keka nongba wa albeting tingbang lezugo. The spirit of Kosak is unity, peace, and progress. So no yene ni sumalsam ni tun ken ana Kosak kayiting ware. Let's not allow greed to take that away from us. No. Da keka tonoko fufum yales kare yange pie te bas to potential mabase. This has been your boy Spider-1 and your humble son of Kosak for Kosak 360 Vibes. Let us speak the truth, live in peace, and protect the image of our land. Never let someone to deceive you. Like I saw Mate, Mam Ane be Paul, only a content creator. I am a content creator. I create contents, whatever it is, I do to make sure that people are changed from what is no good. So I have more for you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done, and I have a lot. For you got a video just give me evidence, proof, evidence. Then I will go. I am a content creator. I am a blogger. I am a promoter. I am a musician. I use all means to make Kosak proud. Man a musician, can content creator, man a digital marketer, man still was a fan. Then a couldn't bene pepsemen. Ane nirib na beloshi ya kanyet ka woman ka kelset. The anabo, the anasure sam, the ane for tengen na problem so be karnare nam duzin kapanyan kapapamale for get to woman de. Timena noko de ta sazu ka look ban na riba song la mi yang yina song. Pose ya barka, unam na kenori ne. Thank you very much. I am out.